students, today we have to study here roots of quadratic equations. How to find out the roots of a quadratic equation. In earlier video, we had learned the basic concept related to the quadratic equation. Okay, how to find out the quadratic equations and what are the requirements or what are the conditions when we identify the given equation is the quadratic equation. So basic idea related to the quadratic equation we had learned in earlier videos. And now in this video we will learn about the roots of quadratic equation. So roots of quadratic equation, if p of x, what is this? This one is the p of x. That means this p of x is given here is the polynomial, okay, which is the polynomial, and p of a is equal to 0. That means a value is variable, like a is equal to 2, a is equal to 1, a is equal to -1, depends on the polynomial. Okay, so we have to set the a value. Okay, so in such a way we have to select a value. That means we have to get this polynomial is equal to 0. Okay, then p of x minus a is the factor of p of x. What is given as p of x minus a is the factor of p of x. In this case, a is what? A is the root or solution of p of x is equal to 0. Okay, a is the root or it is the solution of p of x is equal to 0. Now, so we will discuss this topic with the help of an example. So we have to get here, or we have to use here one polynomial, that is p of x is equal to x square plus 5x minus 6. Suppose I want to put here, let x is equal to, in first condition, suppose I want to set x is equal to 2. Okay, then what we get, that is p of 2. Instead of x, we have to put here 2. So p of 2 is equal to x square, that means 2 square plus 5 as it is. In another bracket, we have to put the x value, that is 2. 2 minus 6. So 2 square is 4 plus 5 into 2, 10 minus 6. Then 14 minus 6. Then what is your result here? That is 8. Okay. So 8 is equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. So we can say that this p of 2 or 2 is the factor of p of x? No. So therefore we can write it as what? 2 is the not a solution of equation. What is the equation here? That is x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, that means we have to say that 2 is not the solution of equation x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Because we can't get is equal to 0. Okay. Now next, similarly, suppose we have to put here x is equal to, let x is equal to, suppose I want to put here minus 6. Then what is your p of x? P of x is equal to x square plus 5x minus 6. So instead of x, we have to put here p of 6 is equal to 6 square plus 5 into 6 minus 6. What is 6 square? That is 36 plus 30 minus 6. Then what we get here, that is 36 plus 30, that is 90. 66 minus 6. Okay, what we get here? 66 minus 6. Sorry, what is the value of x? Minus 6 is there. So what is the result here? That is 5 into minus 6, that is minus 30. Then what we get? That is 36 as it is. Minus 30 minus 6, that is minus 36. So plus 36 minus 36 get 0. So therefore we can write it as, this is minus. We can write it as x is equal to minus 6 is the solution of equation x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. That means we have to get here x minus 6 is the solution of equation x square plus 5x minus 6. So therefore we can write it as minus 6 is the root of x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, so it is the root of x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay, when we get p of x is equal to 0, then and then only we can say that this is the solution of given equation, and the particular value of this is the root of the particular polynomial. Okay, so in this way we have to discuss about the roots of quadratic equation. So we'll solve some more examples. So we'll start here. Next, that is example here. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. That means we have to given here p of x. What is p of x? That is p of x is equal to 2x square minus 7x plus 6, and which is equal to 0. Okay, which is equal to 0. This is given. Okay, and we have to check whether, okay, we have to given the x and y x value in first condition x is equal to 3 upon 2, and another condition here that is x is equal to minus 2, and we have to check here are the solutions of the equation. So when we say that the solution of this, these are the solution of the particular equation, when we get p of x is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, when I put the x value is equal to 3 upon 2 and solve this, after the solving, when we get is equal to 0, that means this is the solution of particular equation. Similarly for the second part. Okay, so we have to write down here first given, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now next we have to put here for solving the first. Okay, put x is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, what is given here? X is equal to 3 upon 2 in polynomial 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Okay, so we have to put here 2. Instead of x, we have to put what? 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 whole bracket square. Okay, what we do here? First of all, write down the equation first as it is. 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Then 2 as it is, instead of x, we have to put here 3 upon 2. And the square of this one. Then minus 7, what is the value of x here? 3 upon 2. Then plus 6. Just solve this. What we get? 2, 9 upon 4 minus 7, 3 upon 2. Then plus 6. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. What we get here? That is 9 upon 2 minus, this 7 is multiplied through 3. 7 3 are 21 upon 2 plus 6. Then the denominator is same, so we have to perform the subtraction for numerator. That means 9 minus 21 upon 2 plus 6. Then 9 minus 21, what we get here? That is 12. This when we subtract 9 minus 21, that is minus 12 is your result, because big number sign is there, and then 2 plus 6. Okay, then 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Then what is the result? That is minus 6 plus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 get 0. Okay, we have to get here 0. That means we have to write down here like, so we have to write down like this. What we write? That is, therefore x is equal to 3 upon 2 is the solution of 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Okay, this is for first part. Okay, so therefore we have to get a 0, therefore we can write it as x is equal to 3 upon 2 is the solution of the given equation. Now we have to solve the second part. We have to put x is equal to what? Minus 2 in polynomial 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Okay, so put the value. Write down the polynomial as it is. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to, instead of x we have to put a minus 2. So 2 minus 2 square minus 7 minus 2 plus 6. Then what is the result? That is 2. Minus 2 square, that is 4, plus 4, minus 7. 7 into minus 2, that is minus 14. So minus 14 and this minus 8 plus. So plus 14 is plus 6. 4 2 is 8 or 2 4 is 8 plus 14 plus 6. Then what is your answer here? 14 plus 8 and plus 6. That is we have to get here 28. Okay, because 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. So which is not equal to 0. Which is not equal to 0. So therefore we can write it as x is equal to minus 2 is not the solution of two x square minus 7x plus 6. Okay, so in this way we have to find out which is the solution of particular polynomial or particular quadratic equation or not. Just you have to remember one thing: when we get is equal to 0, p of x is equal to 0, then we have to say that this particular value of x is the solution of given polynomial, like this. Okay, and write down the last statement. Okay, according to the condition. Okay, so if you want to write down this, please take this screenshot. Now today we have to stop here. In next lecture or next video we will discuss about the practice set which is depend on this one. Okay, so thank you students for watching this. I hope you have to understand this one. So please like it, subscribe it and share my channel. Okay, thank you.